I do this a little early. This is part two, and I figured out that the numbers on the letter tiles will be the movement. They will be the dice. So we're not finished with your turn, which is the wheelbarrow. So we're going to go ahead and move. What do we got? What's that over there? We got what? Six? Is that a six or an eight? Six, eight. Okay, so we're going to move eight. Alrighty, here we go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Is that correct? We have landed on the light blue color group, and it is the first thing here. Let us take a look at this. Let us take a look at this. Oriental, Vermont, Connecticut. I like how they just put all the property names on one box. So, I mean, normally I would do it like this, but like just put it on here. But I mean, there's only one stand for it. So we're going to have to put it here for now. So there will be yours. And now it is. So we're supposed to start on the star there. So there's things about buying letters. If you can only have up to 7 letters. If you're replacing letters, it's 500 cash, or it's 100 cash to add letters. So replacing letters, it's 500. If you're replacing blanks, you replace blanks for points. So, and then there's other rules, but I'm just trying to measure. Oh, also because of the enye, I'm going to allow some Spanish words because what English word has enye? Of course, there's also a because believe it or not, boys and girls, in case you didn't go to Spanish class, double L is a letter of the Spanish alphabet. We say a, e, u, o, u, right? Remember, like, yeah, that's easy to remember. Okay, let's see what we got here. So jet. What could I put? Let's put pet. Well, we're gonna just go easy. I did my chortle today. I did the chortle, which is so this is player number 3. Player number 3 could be God. We don't know yet. Okay, so we got pet. Okay, and so that is 5. And 5 would be the dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the railroad group. Okay, so we automatically take these things. We don't buy them. So you don't buy the properties, you just take them. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, this is, I'm going to put the, you know what, I'm going to put the properties on top here so we're not confused. I'm going to try to make everything work. Let's take a look at this. This is Railroad Group, Pennsylvania, reading B&O, short line. So not BO, but B&O. And value is 800. Oh, wait. So hold on a minute. Hold on. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. Value is 600. Okay. So what? Okay. So you had to sacrifice 600. And the 600 will go into the bank. Now, I can kind of make a sloppy mess because there's only 2 denominations to this. So you had to lose some money to keep this property. Okay. I don't know if auctions work. I suppose they could, because if you're auctioning out property. And this is 800. Now, do I have enough? Yeah. Okay. Or does player 3 have enough? Player 3 has enough. Okay. Okay, so that is for up there. Okay, so there is railroad. There is blue. Okay, so you do have to buy these. And now it is my turn. Now I probably have the best letters here. So I have to figure out what could I do here? Petra. So I'm coming up with my letters here. Petix, Petim, Jet. Wow, I don't know. Rojet, Mojet. No, this is hard to do. This is not an easy game. So to determine movement, I have to put the letters on the board, but I don't see where I can put them. Um, if I were to mope it, mop it, mop it. Okay, let me see here. Let me see. All right, I can't think of a word, so I'm going to spend all my money to replace two letters, and I'm going to replace them. Let me think of which ones I want to replace. I'm going to take out M and X. Now, I don't know if they're going to go, I suppose they can replace them. So I'm going to replace these two. So I've lost all my money already trying to do this. All right. So now I'm going to put them here. Let us see what happens to me. So let's count them. Okay, so we got 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's 7. Okay. So this is my turn. I have to look this, if I have to look things up on Google, and they have to be sure that words are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Advance to free parking and do not pass go. Okay. Well, I didn't break even, but I did collect the 500. So when you start out this game, you get in the 500, you put the 500 there. So anytime there is money, and I do believe, wait a minute. Let me check the rules. All right, let's look at this together. When players buy tiles from the bank, pay for replacing a bank tile, or pay the fee to get out of jail, the money always goes to free parking. When a player lands on free parking, they take all the money that is accumulated there and add to their money. The player then replaces the initial 500 to free parking. So the 500 always goes to the bank from the banker. So I broke even plus interest, but I do not take until I land on that again, or another player lands on free parking. So it was about breaking even, but getting interest. That was all that was about. And now, let's see here. Now it is your turn. So let's see. You have some money um, to buy. So let's see. You have okay. So you have some money. Let me see. So here you're collecting 2,000 as you pass. Okay. So 3 letters for 3 letters. Okay. Shall we do that? Okay, we put that to the bank. That actually goes here. Okay. I don't touch that until I land there again. So I have to land there again. So that I don't touch. Um, and we get 3 letters. And we get 3 letters from here. Let's see what happens. And we're just going to draw 3. I got 3 letters? Yeah. And these are the 3 letters, E, N, and V. Oh, actually, let me see how this works. Okay, I think you're supposed to take the ones from the set here. Okay. So let's see. So if you were doing this, right, you got S and RS. Um, hmm. Okay. So I'm looking at it. Okay, so let's say take these ones. Okay, so these are the ones you want, right? I'm just, you're not here to object. You're here to just agree since you cannot. And these are the ones that are new ones, and that's going to be for the bank. So these are the new ones now. And all that, the money's still over there still. So here we have, so let's take a look and see what we can make. I'm thinking of just jets with the plural jets, but could, let me see here. So, rally, sell, damn. Oh, this is tough. I'm looking. Hold on. Oh, I found the word. Okay. So it's a longer word. So we'll put this one S-A. What's up, S-A? Okay. S-A-V and E. So we got S-A-V-E. And I think you automatically get this. I think you automatically get it. I'm not sure, but I think you always have to buy it. It's always tricky. So let's see. Let me check exactly the rules here. Like when you land on it. Okay, brown color group. Let me check the rules once more because here are the two properties. Let me check. Okay, so you cannot land on the property and buy it. If you land on the property somebody else owns, then you have to pay the rent. Otherwise, nothing happens. So I gave back the 600. This goes bye-bye until somebody else gets it. And we'll take the 500 for the brown. So now real properties owned. And I'm going to take away this and give back the 800. Okay, 800 is back. So the only one so you're the only one that's got the property. Now it is your turn here. Now, should I buy a couple of these? Let's see. Okay, so player 3 will buy. I want to move the because you need about 2 letters. Okay, so 200 goes here to the bank to have 7 letters, and E and X, and that'll go there. Let's see. I can already see a word. Let's do it. F L. Oh, wait a minute. That doesn't work. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, because it's connecting to jet. So it has to be right. Okay. Okay, let me see what I can figure out here. So these are my 7 letters. And now I got to figure out how I'm going to cross those. How am I going to do that? Okay. 500 will be spent to replace a letter. And I already know which letter is going to be replaced. I'm going to take this T and I'm going to exchange it with the Enye. And let me also, how many letters I got there? 5. Take 2 from here. 1, 2. And these are S and M. No jokes here yet, everyone. And I'm considering foul words, but I haven't seen anything like that. So here's the bank's letters. So I am now going to spell this correctly. L. F. I need the T, please. Okay. So there is left. We didn't land anything important. L-E-F-T. So that's 7. So for where am I at? Okay. So now let's go ahead and move him. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we landed on damn chance. Let's find out what that's about. Are you ready? Let us find out what chance is all about. Chance is take the red color group. I get to take it? Or no, player 3 gets to take it, not me. But okay, so we're going to put that. Where are we going to put things? Okay. We have to find a, we'll put a little place for everything. The places I can put things for all my card needs. Okay. So here we got. So we just take it. We don't pay it. It's free of charge, everyone. So this is the red: Kentucky, Illinois, and Indiana. So there you go. Now it is my turn. I have so much cash. So let's see what I got. Okay. I've got enough money. Let's purchase. I'm going to put that to the bank. The bank's going to have that there. All right. So I'm going to take the 200 and I'm going to purchase some letters. So which letters should I get? I think S and V come to my head. So we can do that. And 2 more letters. I should probably pull that away so I don't easily see. H and U. Okay. Okay, now I have to see what letters I can spell. Now I could spell loves, but I would just go with the singular, just to at least get double word score. So let's see, double word score. Okay, so 14 is what I'm moving. Okay, hopefully I don't go to jail. I don't know how far jail is. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Chance, here we go. I got a chance. What is, take any property card from the bank. Okay. So, put that there. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. So, we have other ones. Where's the railroad one? I know we have the railroad one. Where is that? Nobody owns that. Yeah, so, well, I made a mistake with that. So, yeah, so now I get the railroad. So that's on mine. And it's pretty quick. I mean, this goes by pretty quick. So that is my turn ended. Let's separate the money, make sure we have the right amounts here. And now it is your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 3 letters. So, H-U-M. Let's go with H, U, and M for you. So yours, these will be your letters, like hum. So you get that. Okay. All right. So those are your letters for 300. Oh, 300. Okay. So that's adding it. Okay. A lot of money there. So a lot of money piles up. It's supposed to be under the table, but I don't have a large table for this, so whatever. Okay, so here. Let's see if I can figure out what word can we spell with those and connect it to this board. It says you can form more than one word on a turn. We're just going to keep it simple and just do one word per turn, because there's a lot. So this is the word here for, I believe it is for your turn, right? Shell. So we can use L that way. Sure, yeah, that'll count. So double word score. So double word score. So now I got to take, let's see, 12, 13, 14, and double that, or quadruple that actually. 14, what is that, 56? Yeah, it's 56. So we have to go 56 times around this board. So where's yours at? Okay, here we go. 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so you're on community chest. So you only pass go once. Okay, that is what you have earned. You have earned 2,000 for salary. So it's kind of keeping track. It's such a, because what this matters is, if it was regular Scrabble, it matters for points, but we're not playing regular Scrabble, are we? So we're trying to do it in this way of, okay, now we're trying to figure out what exactly move the movement here. All right, let's take a look together. Advance to the light blue color group space. If you pass, go collect. So we're going to advance to it. So where is it? Okay. So we are here, and we go all the way here. Light blue space. Okay. So we just advanced there. We don't get the property, like I made the mistake before. And I'll put community chest right there. And we collect a bit more. So let me go ahead and put that. Hold up. Okay, so that's that one. Now it is player three's turn. And player 3 needs to get 300. So what you want to try to do all the time is make sure you always have 7 letters before you make your moves. So the first move you always have to make is purchase your letters. So we'll put that, and we'll add that to the board. Now let me make sure that we add the letters before we do that. So that goes to the pot. The pot is there. And let's see what letters we get. I'm going to grab 3. And this is Dell software. You're getting a Dell. So Del Taco. We'll see. We'll see what we can do here. So let's take a look on what DEL. Okay, let's get these ones. We'll get the letters that are associated with Roman numerals here, and that'll be these ones here. M D. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. So that's player 3, and let's see what I can come up with here to save player 3's life. Well, nothing fancy, but player 3 will be choosing HUM, but he needs to have 13. This is the value. Oh man. Okay. Now, this is where I think the auction will come in here. Now, I think this is where, well, let's think about that. Okay. I think we would only do the auction if the last, so we're going to put this aside. We're going to just say nothing really happens now for that. But I will say we'll do an auction. The auction's not in this rule, but I'll say that if the last green piece is covered and nobody can buy it, or somebody else can buy it, then either that other person buys it, or if 2 other players can buy it, but we'll have to do like a dice roll, like a paper, rock, scissors to see. Because, I mean, it's one thing, because there's other opportunities to get the green property, but that's why I'm just going to let it go. So everybody has, I have railroad, you have brown, player 3 has red. So we're just going to go the number of spaces, which is 8. Where is player 3? Okay. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So player 3 gets all. So let's think about that. Hold on. It's still their turn. So 1,300. Let me see if they have enough money though. Let me check. I think they do. Okay, so this will go. This will be in the bank itself, and that will go towards. So when you're buying properties or rent, that's usually in the separate banking pile. What goes onto the free parking are the purchasing of letters, if that makes sense. So green and red. So there's 2 properties there. So you don't really get, I mean, the monopoly is within the card itself. It's not like a regular monopoly where you are buying up the similar property colors and all that, chasing it down. Okay, it is my turn. It's my turn now. So let's see. I need 3 letters. We're gonna draw for 3 letters from here. Okay. So we got vowels. Oh, that's good. We got some vowels here. And we'll end it on my turn, I think. So let's take a look. Okay. Do I have 300 exactly? I have 300 exactly. Okay. So that'll go to the free parking lot. Player 3 cannot collect this money. However, it is going to sit there for somebody to use. And I will take all the other vowels. All right. We'll make a wordle. We shall make a wordle. And I shall see what I can make out of that. Can I make something out of these letters and put it on here? All right, I see that utility property there. So let's just grab these 2 letters. I'm just going to be simple about it. Okay, F-O-R. There we go. We got 4, so that is 6. Where's mine at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I get 2,000. 2,000 is now added to the pot. And that's not too bad. So um, let's see. Player 3 has 2 properties. You have 1. I have 1. Well, actually, no. Wait a minute. Hold on. I landed on it, right? So let's take a look at that property. 500. Okay. 500 it is. 500 goes to bank. That's it. And now I have 2. You have still 1. What's wrong with you? What's going on with you? So now I got the 2 strange, the non-property properties. So I got the utility group. I got the railroad. You need me for all the power and transportation. What happened to you? What's wrong with you? So now there we are so far. There's the money. So we still have a few properties left. And it will change hands. So, I mean, easily, if you can buy the properties, then you can get it back. But I think if nobody gets the green, well, we're going to have to see how this goes. And there's always room. Nobody's paid rent yet, and nobody's gone to jail. So, oh, I didn't even notice that. Free parking. Oh, this is advanced. Oh, this is advanced to free parking. Ooh, I didn't even see that. I'm not even looking at this board, am I? All right, more content to come.